In this video, I'll show you how to make your Lovable website SEO ready. Start by opening your Lovable project and reviewing your website's content. Make sure every page has a clear purpose and includes keywords that people are likely to search for when looking for your product or service. Next, update your page titles and meta descriptions. Each page should have a unique title and description that accurately explains the content. This helps search engines understand your pages and can improve click-through rates from search results. After that, organize your content using proper headings. Use one main H1 heading per page and structure the rest of your content with H2 and H3 headings where appropriate. This makes your content easier for both users and search engines to understand. Now optimize your images by using descriptive file names and adding alt text. This helps search engines understand what your images represent and can improve accessibility. Next, make sure your website is mobile-friendly. Test your pages on different screen sizes and fix any layout issues. Since most searches happen on mobile devices, a responsive design is essential for SEO. After that, connect a custom domain instead of using a temporary project URL. A professional domain improves credibility and is better for long-term search visibility. Now review your website speed. Remove unnecessary content, optimize images, and keep pages lightweight so they load quickly. Faster websites generally provide a better user experience. Once your site is published, connect it to Google Search Console and submit your sitemap. This helps Google discover and index your pages more efficiently. Finally, continue publishing useful content and updating your website regularly. Fresh, high-quality content can help improve your rankings over time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make your Lovable website SEO ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.